Hey guys, so I got this Charizard and got two Pokemon. It looks so cool, yeah, and the video, and sorry about that because our video my video is like doesn't have too much space. And I opened up some other Pokemon packs. I didn't even got a legendary. Only just I got is this legendary that's all in that pack. And the Meowth. And now the continue is this. Alright, so I open it, and now let's take this out, and Alakazam or whatever. He's only one spoon, so, and it's a V, even a big one. And the first pack we're going to open, I'm going to save this. Pikachu is big. Right now, I'm going to open is this pack. I hope I know how to open it because I don't know how to open it. Alright, there we go. And now white code card. It is gonna be something good. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. And 4. Let me see. I got that right. Yes, I got this one again. A zebra. I don't know what these names are. I can't read, so I'm just gonna do this. A trainer, a horse again, a wolf, a salamander, and a bird again. That kind of looks creepy. And this card, and the final is oh my gosh, this is the best card of V Max. Oh my gosh, this is the goodest card. Alright, so let's do a Sun and Moon pack. I don't know how many space we got, but wow, that was super easy. I never do it so fast. A white code card. Oh, it's good. I hope something be good. So, I mean, something's gonna be good. 2, 3, and 4. I hope I got it right. Alright, that punch energy. I don't know why I always get this. And that leaf. Psyduck. I see something. I see something shiny. And the final card. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, the final card. Oh my gosh! This is so golden. This is the best card. Whoa! This is so golden. Alright, so this is a Sword and Shield Rumble Clash. I hope I got that right. A green cold card. Boo. I'm going to get something bad. 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't got this one before. That's good. Slicer. I got him on Pokemon Go. I got him on Pokemon Go, but I forgot what his name is. Madmar, there you go. Electabuzz, and last card is not a good card. Alright, so this is a Sword and Seal Voltage or something. I hope I got that right. And there's Big Pikachu. I hope I get the Big Pikachu. I don't know how much it costs though, but I just hope I get the Pikachu. Alright, I finally open it. No. Oh no. Green cold card! Now I'm going to get something bad, not even a good one. Ooh. I already have punch energies. Stone. Clefairy. Elephant. Meow. Execube. This is my favorite pack. Flareon, and the final card is a water energy. Wah, wah, wah. Alright, so that's all the Pokemon cards. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.